Okay, you guys, today I will be making a paper airplane. The first step you do is to flip it around, make sure it looks like this, and then fold it like this. Make sure it's even, and then like that. Flatten it out like that, and then go like this. Like that. So it should be looking like this. And then you take this right here, you fold it like this, and then you fold the other side like that, and then you pull these up, and then there you go, you got a paper airplane.